I'm going to show you how to make a carnivore-friendly chicken schnitzel. Schnitty. Put your bacon in the blender and blend it all up into little tiny pieces. Turn your oven on to 180 degrees Celsius. Chuck your bacon in the pan, spread it around, throw in some butter, and start frying. Don't overcook it. Get one egg, beat it up real good, dump your chicken in, get it all covered. Now with your fried up bacon, put it back into the blender, chuck it on and blend it up into little tiny breadcrumbs. Chuck your bacon crumbs out, chuck your chicken in it, get it covered up nice and good. Get your pan, put in some more butter, chuck your chicken in the butter, turn it over, turn it down a little bit because I started burning mine. Now with that leftover egg that you were using to coat the chicken, fry it up so you got some scrambled eggs, chuck it on a plate, put your chicken down, sit your butt down and enjoy. Carb-free carnivore chicken schnitty.